Beautiful one owner 2013 Honda Accord EXL. Loaded. Dark gray metallic paint. Aluminum alloy wheels with good Michelin tires. Dual chrome tip exhaust. V6 engine. Nice, very well kept. Light gray leather interior. Your floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power driver seat adjustments. Heated front row seats. Free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio. CD player. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Auto headlights with fog lights. Lane departure warning. Just over 103,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come out and see us. Hey, you cars won't last long.